Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is the last video of my One Palette 4 Eye Look makeup series using my Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. So all the previous 3 eye makeup were quite dramatic, but I really wanted to keep it really simple yet playful, so all the beginners out there who are just starting off with colorful eye makeup can easily recreate this look. So without any further ado, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So this is how the purple palette looks. It has quite beautiful purples as well as some beautiful shimmers and browns in it. And I'm gonna first take this shade as my transition shade, and on a big fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out on my crease. So this shade was really pigmented and it blends really easily, and you can easily build the intensity of the color. So I just took a little bit of the shadow first and then I directly applied it on my crease using windshield wiper motion and also small circular motion. Next up, I'm gonna take a very little amount of this brown eyeshadow on the same eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm gonna apply it directly on my crease to add some depth over there. And this time I tried to keep the color a bit lower from the previous shade that I applied, and I also made sure that the shadows are well blended into each other. Now taking this shimmery purple shade on a flat eyeshadow applicator brush, I first tried to apply it dry on my eyelid, but it turned out really patchy and there was hardly any pigmentation. So I decided to wet my brush, and this is how it looks after applying it wet, and the pigmentation is far better now, as you all can see. But the shimmers in the palette are not that good. They have very little amount of shimmers in them. They just have a light sheen to them. So I tried to build up the intensity, but it was really hard to work with the shadows, so I didn't like the shimmers in the palette in particular. So to create this eye look, I just used 3 eyeshadows from the palette. I wanted to keep the eye makeup really effortless and easy to create. That's why I didn't use too many eyeshadows. Now after applying the shimmery shade, taking a clean eyeshadow blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges really well, making sure that the eyeshadows look well blended into each other and they give a good diffused look and not look patchy at all. Now taking the same brown shade on a smudger brush, I'm just smudging it along my upper lash line and also a little bit on the outer V of my eyes. This creates a really beautiful smokiness and some depth and definition on my eyes, which I really liked. And I'm applying the same shade along my lower lash line also to complete the eye look and to wrap it up. So I just stamped the color first, then taking the same purple matte shade which I used on my crease, I blend it out really well and also connected it with my upper lash line. Now I just took a brown eye pencil and tight lined both my upper and lower waterline. Now taking a pinky champagne highlighter, I just highlighted my tear duct area and also under my brow bone. And to finish up the look, I just curled up my lashes and applied few coats of mascara. And to keep the eye look really simple and beginner friendly, I didn't apply any falsies, but if you are comfortable with it, you can definitely go for it. And this is the finished look. I went for a nudie pinky lip color to match up with the eye makeup, and this is it. So I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I really enjoyed creating this series for you guys. I hope you also did. So see you in my next video, girlies. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.